is for apple, apple. Apples grow on trees so tall. Red and green, we eat them all. Crunchy, juicy, sweet delight. Healthy snack both day and night. B is for bear, Papa Bear, Papa Bear. Big brown bears love honey sweet. They catch fish and love to eat. In the forest they roam free, strong and furry as can be. C is for crow, crow. Crows say caw and fly around. They are clever, smart and sound. Black and shiny, quick and sly, building nests up in the sky. D is for dolphin, 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 dolphin. Dolphins swim and leap so high, playing games beneath the sky. Friendly, fast and full of cheer, talking with a whistle clear. E is for elephant, elephant. Elephants are big and strong. With trunks they trumpet loud and long. They eat plants and love to roam. In the jungle is their home. F is for fig, 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 fig. Figs are fruits so soft and sweet. Purple skin, a tasty treat. Inside seeds are small and round. Nature's candy can be found. G is for goat, goat. Goats climb hills so fast and free, chewing leaves from every tree. They give us milk that we can drink and jump on rocks quick as a wink. H is for hen, ha ha hen, ha ha hen, ha ha hen. Hens go cluck and peck the ground, laying eggs that can be found. Feathers fluffy, small and neat. Hens give food for us to eat. I is for for strawberries, strawberry, strawberries red with tiny seeds, growing well in garden weeds, juicy, fresh and sweet to bite, a summer fruit that brings delight. T is for tiger, tata, tiger, 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 tata, tiger. Tigers stalk with silent paws, sharp white teeth and giant claws, orange stripes so fierce and bright, they roam the jungle day and night. U is for umbrella bird, umbrella bird, umbrella birds of crest so wide, feathers hanging by their side, living deep in jungle trees, calling loudly as they please. V is for